Welcome back to another edition of Algebra with Cindy. Alright, so if you watched the first video, if you didn't, you're probably like, I don't know what she's talking about. But in the first video, we graphed this line. You can see it graphed over there on the side, so we're kind of cheating. And we graphed it by picking x and y values. And even in the video, I said there is actually another way to solve this. And if you kind of sort of remember y equals mx plus b, kind of sort of remember that, where this is the slope and this is the y-intercept, which means you would take this equation. Watch me as I do it. I'm going to solve this equation for y. I throw the x out front because that matches this over here. And now I divide every term by 5. So I ain't even got to pick my calculator. 5 goes into 15, that's negative. Look at there, did that all by myself, plus 2. Again, if you watched the other video, you already knew, bring this for my old eyes to be able to see, you already knew the y-intercept was at 2. But what's cool now, math can be cool, trust me, is what's cool now about this, what you could do actually, is now you could use this slope. So you could start here. Remember how we talk about slopes, the change in y over the change in x, right? And so what this is saying is I would go down 1, 2, 3, and over to the right 1, which would give me that next point. So there's always many different ways to do things. I think this formula is good to know because you're going to see it a lot in the future. The y equals mx plus b. Everybody gets out of algebra and it's the only thing they ever remember, right? This is a good formula to know. So keep that in your arsenal, your formula cheat sheet, and all that kind of good stuff. And have fun graphing lines.